Mastering, insist, in reported suggestions. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of reported speech. But we're not stopping there. We're focusing on an area that can often be a bit tricky. Reporting suggestions, specifically using the verb, insist. This video will guide you through the structure of using insist in reported speech, making your English sound more fluent and natural. Before we delve into our main topic, let's take a moment to revisit reported speech. Reported speech, also known as indirect speech, is when we tell someone what another person said. But it's important to remember that we do not usually use the exact words that the original speaker used. We often change tenses and pronouns to match the perspective of the person we're telling the information to. For example, direct speech would be, "I am happy," and reported speech would be, "She said that she was happy." When it comes to reporting suggestions, we often use the verbs suggest, recommend, or advise. However, the verb insist can also be used, especially when the original speaker feels very strongly about the suggestion. For example, if someone says, "You should go to the doctor," and they feel very strongly about it, we could report it like this: "She insisted that I go to the doctor." Notice how we've used the verb insist, but the rest of the sentence follows a similar pattern to a suggestion. Using should in the original sentence is replaced with a subjunctive mood in the reported sentence. Now, let's break down the structure of using insist in reported suggestions. The general structure is as follows. 1. Reporting clause. The person plus insist. 2. That conjunction. 3. Reported clause. Subject plus base form of verb. So, if the direct speech is, "You must visit the new art exhibition," we can turn it into reported speech by saying, "He insisted that I visit the new art exhibition." Notice how we changed must to the base form of the verb, visit. Now that you understand the structure, it's time to put it into practice. Here are some examples. Direct. You should study more for your exams. Reported. My mom insisted that I study more for my exams. Direct. We need to recycle more. Reported. She insisted that we recycle more. Try to make your own sentences using insist in reported suggestions and check how comfortable you're becoming with the structure. There you have it. We've covered how to use insist in reported suggestions. It may take some time to get used to, but with practice, you'll be using it like a pro in no time. Remember, the key is understanding the structure and then getting lots of practice. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Until next time, happy learning.